We're going to kick off with a story from Sumo Logic because they're rebuilding their AI approach with two new agents. One is known as the Knowledge Agent, and one is an SOC Analyst Agent, and an early version of Model Context Protocol MCP server support that will serve as a foundation for a more open, unified system for IT and security operations. This was announced at AWS reInvent 2025, which is happening this week. And the shift aims to make it a lot easier to manage many AI agents and improve collaboration between security and IT teams while also keeping humans in the loop. Full MCP platform support is planned for 2026, which will eventually allow organizations to plug in their own custom AI agents as AI-driven operations mature. Al, is Sumo Logic on the right path here by kind of revamping what they're doing and adding MCP support?
Absolutely. I think this is kind of vital for anybody who is building applications that need to deal with a large amount of data, and particularly data from a variety of different sources. And that's essentially what Sumo Logic's all about, is ingesting all of your security-related log information, all of the data flows coming in. We've discussed this on the rundown before. There is absolutely a need for AI tools, and particularly agentic AI tools, to go and take actions in response to some of the agentic AI attacks that are turning up. So we're definitely seeing more of that arms race, and vendors in the security and logging and pretty much any defensive space need to be on board with making sure that they can respond as fast as attackers can attack. And this is in itself, this is just following standard best principles around how you build security and defense. You need to be able to respond at least as fast as the attackers are changing their moves. It'll be a little while as we see the MCP server, which is going to allow us to integrate the Sumo Logic part of the AI into our wider AI context, our wider AI application set. It's coming. It'll be generally available in 2026, so you can certainly play with it now, and we're not sure when in 2026, because of course we're less than a month away from 2026 itself. Definitely seeing this use of MCP as a common way of gluing together multiple AI tools to get the best outcome that you can get. And Sumo Logic is definitely talking about having more of these agentic AI tools coming out over time. It's still fairly early in enterprise acceptance of agentic tools actually making changes to things like your security posture within your organization. And so it'll take a little while to build up the trust that these tools will actually do what we want and won't be influenced unduly, won't then become an attack vector themselves. Because, of course, any automated response system is an attack vector for an attacker. So lots of work to be done here. Great to see it going along. And of course, this was announced at AWS reInvent 2025, going on right now. We expect to have a lot more to say about what was announced at reInvent on our next episode of The Rundown. And I imagine there'll be plenty of AI in that.